Hello everyone, this is Maria Jingle and thank you for visiting my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cook chicken adobo. Chicken adobo is from the Philippines. As you know, I am a Filipino and I would like to share with you my own recipe. If you are tired of eating the classic fried chicken and you're looking for something different, I would recommend this dish. It's very simple, very affordable, and delicious. For our chicken adobo ingredients, we needed 7 to 8 quarters of chicken. I have cut them into 3 slices, but you can cut them into 2. We needed 1 large onion, julienne slice, 1.5 cloves of garlic, 3 tablespoons of vinegar, 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of whole black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 5 to 6 pieces of dried bay leaves or dahon ng laurel, and 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. After gathering all the ingredients, now we can start combining all the seasoning and the spices to the chicken and mix them very well. Put it on medium heat. Medium heat. Keep covering for at least 15 minutes until you see the chicken exerted out its juices. Alright, it's about 15 minutes and as you can see, it's watering now. The chicken juices is pretty much out and that's what we want. As you can see, the chicken produces a lot of liquid. I did not put any water on my adobo, but still, because of the chicken itself, they produces all this juice. So I put the fire in medium-high heat and reduce the water into half. So medium-high heat for about 10 minutes and keep stirring, but not to the extent that you're gonna have the chicken meat into pieces. Just be gentle. Okay, chicken slowly reducing, and as you can see, there's still blood out of this meat. That means this is not really cooked yet. This is a very delicious dish actually. I don't know if you guys have heard about chicken adobo or pork adobo or any adobo, Filipino style, Asian style. I highly recommend it. This is actually this whole chicken right now that I'm cooking, this is about, I would say including the spices, I would say $7, and you can eat it for like, I would say 5 days. All you need to do is just cook and have some rice or potato or whatever vegetables that you have. This whole dish is about $7. No one can beat that. You just need time to cook. Trying to reduce the liquid. Other than that, you can serve this meal the way it is. If you want more juice and liquid in it, or if you want it a little in the dry side, you can reduce the water a little bit more. Our chicken adobo is finished, and I put some rice in there. There we go. Okay guys, I am going to try the chicken adobo. That's the juice. I'm inviting you right now. You gotta try this